morning. First gas stop. I just left the hotel and I'm about to head to New Orleans. It's about 10:17. It's not too early, but I'm not a morning person. Well, we found the first problem. The road, the Interstate 90, they said that it's closed. So I'm gonna have to go back to the interstate. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. I want to start today by saying thank you so much to Aaron and Nicolas for helping me, for supporting me on the trip. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Continuing to the report, weather report was nice in the morning, upper 60s, and then it got a little bit cold at the end of the day around maybe 5 o'clock. It got probably on the lower 60s. The bike is still doing great. No problems at all. Just a little bit of overheating, not crazy, but a little bit of overheating while riding in the city of New Orleans with the traffic and doing stops and all that stuff. I did only 234 miles today for a total of 1,200. Uh, I didn't ride too much because I stopped on New Orleans. So today expenses. Today I went a little bit overboard. I got $25 in gas, about $8 on a monster drink, two monster drinks, $30 for lunch and Mambo's in New Orleans, which it was great. I mean, I had to do it. $20 for dinner here in Eunice, Louisiana, and the hotel was $100. So that's around $185 for the day. Um, the ride was very nice this morning. No problems. Nice. Landscape, everything. I was really excited to go to New Orleans. It was on my bucket list, so I was very happy. The bridge on the 90 was closed, so I have to turn around and take the interstate, which was a little bit crazy. But it was a short, maybe 5 miles until I took the bridge on the interstate and I got out. Then I got to New Orleans, and I mean, the architecture there is amazing. It's really pretty. I mean, it's different, It's a different. You gotta look with a different eye. Lots of tourists, and food was great. I'm pretty sure. I mean, if you can spend more time in this city, you can have, a blast, visiting different restaurants. It took me extra 3 hours just to come here, but it was well worth it. Then after leaving New Orleans, I got on US 190, which was crazy boring. Think I did maybe about 140 miles on a pretty much a straight line, doing 65 miles an hour, and just not much to see. But I mean, that's the name of the adventure. Some parts are very nice, some are not that nice, but in general, very happy. I'm glad, I'm doing the trip. Very happy the bike is not doing anything crazy. Hope, cross the fingers, we can continue like that. um, Again, thank you so guys for watching my videos. All of you that send me messages on the inbox, thank you for those who comment, give a like. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope I can continue to do the videos every day, but I know that some days it's not gonna be possible. Maybe some days I'm gonna be too tired, some days I might not have internet or things like that. But so far we are able to have a video every day. So see you guys tomorrow hopefully.